It is a beautiful Saturday morning. The sun is shining bright.
Good morning. Time to make my bed. Yes, almost won the game. Go, go, go! All clean, Dad.
Great job, Leo.
Look, I can water the plants, Dad.
Wow, you are a strong helper.
Uh-oh, I will clean it up later. Max, your room is too messy. Don't worry, Leo. I'm busy. Look, I can mop the floor.
Wow, it is so shiny.
Time to play in the big living room. One, two. I fold my clothes neatly. Kaboom! My big toy castle is ready!
Max, what is this big mess?
It is my giant castle, Dad. I finished folding my clothes, Dad.
Fantastic. Thank you, Leo.
Chores are boring. Playing is much better. Books go here. Neat and clean. Oops! Heavy traffic on the screen. Max, the living room is a big mess now. But it is so much fun. Build the walls! My fort is giant. We must take care of our home, Max. Later, Leo. Game first. Boom! My toys rule the living room. Oh, Max. I hope you clean up later.
Ah, nice and clean.
Good job, Leo. We are a great team, Dad.
Oh? Who is calling right now? Wow! Your cousins are visiting in 30 minutes!
Yay! My room is ready and super clean. What? 30 minutes? Oh no! Look at the floor. It is too messy. Help me. What should I do? Hurry, hurry! Put the blocks away. Hide this here. No one will see. Oh no! Not the popcorn! Stop rolling! Everything is so messy. Time is running out. Tick-tock, tick-tock! Faster, Max, faster! Ugh, this cushion is too heavy for me. I cannot do this alone. I need help. Dad? Leo? Can you help me, please?
Of course, Max. We are right here.
Look, I tried, but it is too hard.
Don't worry, we can do it together. A family works like a team. We share the chores.
Yes, Dad. I understand now. I have responsibility. First, pick up the blocks. Then, fix the sofa. Got it, Captain Leo.
1, 2, 3, go team!
Blue block in the bin. Yellow block in the bin.
10 points for each block. Faster, team!
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. Done. Look! The floor is clean up now.
Heave, ho! Lift it up.
Yes. Heavy pillow goes up. Sweep the crumbs. 1, 2, clean. We did it! Super fast.
Teamwork victory.
Watch me. We dust the table like this. Wow. It looks so easy. Look, Leo. I am dusting now. Great job. You are doing it. Here is one more book, Max. Got it. I organized the books. Look, the shelf is so typey now. High five, team.
5 minutes left, team. Just one last corner.
Controllers go into the drawer. Safe and tidy. Let the sun shine in. All clean and bright. Paper, box, basket. Closed. Ready? Ready!
Our home is clean and beautiful now.
They are here! Just in time.
Welcome to our clean home. Hello, everyone. Come on in.
Welcome!
Welcome to our house.
Wow! Your living room is so clean and beautiful. Thank you. We worked hard. Look at the table, Dad. No dust at all.
Perfect.
You are a master cleaner.
You did a wonderful job today, Max.
Thank you, Leo. It feels amazing. Let's enjoy the weekend together!
What a wonderful day with our family.
Thank you, Dad and Leo, for helping me clean up.
Next Saturday, we work together again?
Yes, no more messy rooms for me.
Because a happy home needs everyone's love and responsibility.
See you next time. Goodbye.